Step 1. Grease the baking sheet and put it aside. Second step. Prepare some of the ingredients such as 3 extra large eggs, 2 tablespoons fresh milk, 2 tablespoons key lime yogurt, 2 tablespoons purified water, half a cup of white sugar, half a cup of canola oil, half a cup of non-fat milk powder, half a cup of purple yam jam, 4.5 cups of sifted and bleached bread flour, 2 tablespoons ubi powder, 1 teaspoon potato starch with half teaspoon lukewarm water, 1 1/4 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon ubi flavor. These are the ingredients for your sponge starter dough. Now we're on the third step. This is the sponge starter dough. In a baking bowl, pour the 1/4 cup lukewarm water, 1/4 cup lukewarm milk, 1 tablespoon instant yeast, and half tablespoon of sugar. Mix them well together until the sugar is dissolved. Step 4. Sifted 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Add to the sponge dough starter mixture. Stir, put it aside to rest for 40 minutes to double its size. Step 5. In lieu of bread improver, I made a mixture of 1 teaspoon potato starch and half teaspoon of lukewarm water. Incorporate them. This is part of the dough mixture. Put it aside for later use. Step 6. Sifted 4.5 cups of unbleached bread flour. Step 7. Add the remaining ingredients for the dough mixture, which prepared beforehand, such as potato starch mixture. Add tablespoon baking powder, half cup milk powder, 2 tablespoons ubi powder. Lastly, 1 1/4 teaspoon salt. Whisk the dry ingredients. Step 8. Add the 3 extra large eggs gradually and stir. 2 tablespoons fresh milk, half a cup canola oil, 2 tablespoons key lime yogurt, 1/2 cup ubi halaya, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon ubi flavor, 2 tablespoons purified water. Step 9. Make sure your hands are clean. Mix the ingredients by hand to make a dough. Step 10. Combine the sponge starter dough together with the dough mixture. Step 11. Transfer the dough into the stand-in mixer with kneading attachment. Knead it for 10 minutes and add 2 tablespoons canola oil. Step 12. In a bigger baking bowl, grease it. Transfer your dough, cover with cloth. Rest the dough for 2 hours at least to double its size. Step 13. I prepared the filling, half cup ubi halaya, 1/4 cup condensed milk, 2 tablespoons whipping cream, 2 tablespoons butter. Beat all these ingredients together. Step 14. Form a log-like dough. Cut into 16 pieces. Flatten the dough with using rolling pin. Put your prepared filling into with a slice of cheese. Form a bowl drenched with breadcrumbs. After 15 minutes, I get to enjoy this. Happy baking, everyone!